Good evening. The purpose behind this flipped classroom video is for me to teach you how to build a very simple truss design using glue and drinking straws. Now the things that we're going to need to start out with are our tools. The first thing, the most important, are going to be our safety glasses. We need a hot melt glue gun along with a piece of material to put it on so it doesn't burn our table. We'll need a pair of good sharp scissors, a ruler, a marker, and some drinking straws. I'm going to start out using 5 straws, and I'll document that in my engineering design journal. Now the first thing that I did is I did some research. I went online and I found that there was a series of different type of trusses that I could build. I chose to do the Pratt truss. After I chose the truss, I then decided to use my worksheet and place my Pratt truss design onto the worksheet. From here, what I can do is I can start building. I'm going to place my design down, and the first thing I'd like to do is produce a road bed, my horizontal member. And unfortunately, my straws are too short to do it with one piece of straw. So what I'm going to do is take the straw and very carefully make a slit in the end of the straw, and that slit is going to allow another straw to slide inside it. By sliding inside it, it's going to make a good joint that I can now use a little bit of hot melt glue on to secure it. Don't use too much hot melt glue, because if you do, it's going to change the dead load of your structure. Ran out of glue on that one. I'll put another stick of glue in. A little bit of glue on my straw. The next thing I'm going to do is place it down on my design, and using my marker I'm going to mark the length. I'll use my scissors and snip it to the correct length. Save all your little pieces because you may be able to use them later. The next horizontal member I'm going to make is the one going across the top of the bridge. So I'm going to take another straw, lay it across the top, and it just so happens that that member is exactly the right length for my bridge design. Yours may be different. The next thing I need to do is produce my vertical members. I have my lower horizontal and my upper horizontal. I need to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertical members. What I'm going to do is measure the length of these, mark it, and cut it with my scissors. Now, since I want all of these to be exactly the same length, I'm going to take this piece that I just cut off, I'll put it together, I'll mark it, and then I'm going to cut it.